Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, and I don't know if you're aware, but the Hush website, I don't know if they're going out of business or if they're changing their something. I don't know, but they had their entire website on sale plus an additional 60% off. Now, I went on their website probably like 2 days after I ordered this, and there was nothing in stock. There was maybe 10 pictures left off their whole site, and it said sold out. But so everything left was gone in like 2 days after I found out about this. I didn't know. So if you know me, you know I don't typically like to purchase online just because I get makeup for free or for really, really cheap. So I don't usually do it. And I don't like paying shipping costs. There was a shipping fee. My total for my entire purchase was $10.80. $5 of that was the shipping charges. So we're just gonna open this box right here. I am so excited. I got 3 eyeshadow palettes. By the time I found out about this, there was really not that much left. I don't know. So, it was just in there like this with this on top of it. You know, you get it. So, I got these 3 palettes. I am so excited, you guys. The 2 small palettes were $1.80, and the bigger palette was, how did that work? I think that's backwards. It was $5.80. I don't care how much it costs. Anyways, 2 were $1 something and 1 was $2 something. So I got 3 palettes. I got 3 palettes. This is the Athena palette, and they're all from Bad Habit. I'm so excited. Did I need eyeshadow palettes? Nope. Did I contemplate not buying them? Because I don't need any, but can't get out. But they were such a good deal. I was like, oh, I have to get it. So this is the Bad Habit Athena palette. That's hard. That's a tongue twister. And you open it up. Oh, okay. This is a dilemma. So another thing because of what is going on, they're not going out of business, but they say they're reformatting their company. They have nothing for sale, but all sales are final. So I gotta hold this. I gotta keep the plastic on because if you look right here, this shadow is actually broken. Let's see if I can take it off without. So like I said, all sales are final. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to be really careful, so I'm not showing you that well, you guys, but is that the only one broken? Okay, it is. Ooh. Look at how beautiful that is, though. Oh, it's falling everywhere. Okay, we're done with that. Oh, it's getting everywhere. So that's, here. I wasn't going to swatch them because, these are going to go give a giveaway soon. But, there's that brown color. It's like, what's that color? What's that color called? That rustic brown, rusty color. That's what color it is. This palette is gorgeous. And I got these 2. I got the, what's this one? Aftershock and After Hours. These are the other 2. So these ones were the ones that were like, I think they were $1.30 a piece. And that one was $2.20 or I don't know, something like that. That's whatever adds up to $5.80. There's not even a receipt in there. I don't know. But like I said, all sales are final. So this is a 9-pan palette. These little ones are 9-pan palettes. The little ones are 9-pan palettes, and the bigger one is an 18-pan palette. So the Aftershock was my favorite. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at. Oh my gosh, it's just so gorgeous, you guys. I'm so excited. I am really excited about these palettes. This one is for me, because I just realized that one's broke, and I was gonna go. If you know what, if you guys would be, I'm gonna try to repress that broken shadow because that one was for the giveaway that I'm doing. So if you would still want a new eyeshadow palette, but I can either take that eyeshadow out or repress it, let me know in the comments because I just realized it's broken and it was going in a giveaway. So that just registered in my head because I wasn't even thinking. I was just worried about what a great deal it was. But this is the After Hours palette, and oh, you guys, this is so pretty too. Look at this. Now, you always see dupes for the Anastasia Nude palette, but I think these colors are closer than even my dupes that I have. So this is so pretty. This is a shimmer here. It's not really picking up on camera how beautiful it is, but it's just these beautiful berry colors. Oh, I just love it. And I don't know if I'm keeping it. Because so again, this one's broken and this is the one I got for a giveaway. That will be the next video going up. If you hear the boys, my boys are playing, so I'm sorry. If you guys would be interested in me repressing this, or I can even just depan it. If you guys would still be interested in this, let me know. Probably not, I would guess, but I don't know. That sucks. And you know what I could have done was not done this unboxing and you guys send it to me like, oh, it must have broken the mail. I don't know what happened. But that's just a lie. So I'm not going to do that. But, so those are the, what are they called? The Bad Habit shadows again. Again, these 3 palettes were $5.80. And even after shipping, this is why I did it, because even after shipping, okay, so you add the additional $5, that's still a great deal. You're paying $3.33 a palette. Like, that's still an amazing deal. So I went ahead and got it anyways. And also, you guys, look what I found on clearance. This is the only Walmart favorites that I didn't pick up, was the accessories one, because I was like, I don't really want it. If you guys have these at your Walmart, go check your Walmart. One of mine had these for $5 and one of them had them for $2.50. They had the lips, the eyes, oh shoot. The lips, the eyes, and the dang it, I just crushed part of that. Look at that, eyeshadows just got everywhere. Oh, here's what. They had the lips, the eyes, and the pretty little extras. And so I went ahead and picked it up because it was I got it for $2.50. Of course I'm going to, like, duh. So let's go through and what's in it. So you open it up. Again, this was $2.50. Ooh. My husband's like, what did you get? And I'm like, no, it was $2.50. I had to get it. He's like, yeah, you did, I'm sure. Like, you don't need anything else. And I'm so excited. I did not need any of this, and this will probably go in the giveaway stockpile. Sorry, you guys. I'm like, but that's okay. So let's start with this. This is the Moda Pro Brusher brush. I just got a Moda brush in my Ipsy. So, and it was supposed to be a highlight brush, but I'm using it for an eyeshadow brush. And you guys, I love it. This is the buffer brush, and this is like the Log Me Up and something. It's got like this matte rubber texture that's just so nice. So there's this on there, and this is just like a powder brush or blusher brush. Really, it's for whatever you want it to be. This nail polish it's like I don't know. It's called Puzzle Player. My boys are pretending like they're crying outside. Let's see what color it is. That's the color. Oh, that's pretty. I like it better. You know what I do? I like it better than I thought I would. I always paint my pinky. So like I will be at like the store and I'll be like, oh, that's a pretty eyeshadow palette. So I'll paint my pinky. I always have a pinky painted. At least I used to. Now I rarely go to the nail polish. So these are called Sets Blot Translucent Powder Pull Out Tray and applicator from packaging. Gently shake excess into tray using the blotting motion. Apply translucent powder to skin. If needed, redip and try. So it's basically you're taking your setting powder on the go for you. So if you're oily, so these are great to throw in your purse, or in my case, my diaper bag. And when I need to reset my makeup, I can just pull that out instead of just carrying like a full. If you don't want to carry, like I carry a compact, like but if you didn't want to do that, you could do that. These are coconut nail arts, and these are kind of like, what were those super popular, Remember, like, it was one of the I don't remember what they're called, but they sold the nail things. You put them on and I did them for my daughter's first day of school when we moved to the South. It was like her first day of her junior year, and I gave her a huge manicure with some of these. But so it came with these. I like the colors, but they're pretty shiny. I don't know if I'll use that. I don't know. What's next? And I was actually, nope, that's not it. That's not it, Missy. These are the Kiss eyelashes. So they're just wispy eyelashes, And I'm almost out of eyelash glue, and my favorite is the Duo. So that came in it. So now I don't have to buy it. Then these fake nails, which these are super fun to me. I buy them at the dollar store and then like make them fit my fingers better, but these are thicker. The ones from the Dollar Tree are super thin, so they're really not that great. You get a nail file, which whatever, it's a nail file. Like some of this stuff's like, okay, like these two things are kind of weird, but I guess they go together. You can give yourself a manicure, but I kind of do think it's weird that they would give you like fake nails and then these. Like I don't know, but that's okay. And then I wanted this too, so I don't have the one. This is the Eco Tools, but it's the one that's with the flat tip. So I wanted this makeup sponge. So really I was going to go ahead and buy this and this anyways. So it was cheaper deal to buy all this stuff. Again, I got this for $2.50 on clearance at Walmart. So go check your Walmart because I just bought this the day before yesterday. Go check your Walmart, see if they've got it. Again, one of my Walmarts had them for $5. The other one had them for $2.50. I didn't buy them at $5, but for $2.50 I will. You guys, you have a great day. Keep a lookout for my next video. I will be doing another giveaway. And I'm so excited for this giveaway. So stick around and look for that. You guys, I love you, and I'll see you later.